So, without further ado, let's get this started. In 3, 2, 1. We begin. 3058 with a bit of a rickety drop, but they managed to get down. And they look completely unlatched with a good autonomous pushing that gold mineral right off the sampling field. 8949 looks like they're going for their gold sampling field mineral, and they push it off cleanly. And they get it right into the depot as well. Let's see if they drop a marker. And it's a clean drop of their marker. 11556 and 6712. Both have lowered but haven't gone anywhere.
Driver, pick up your controllers.
And now we approach
3, 2, 1.
And now the action starts. 8949 starts to go in to grab minerals out of the crater. 11556 seems to be stuck on the lander. They're not moving. 3058's getting some minerals pushed right into their depot. Oh, it sounds like 8949 has just secured some gold minerals for their team. 8612 pushing real fast with those minerals, getting them placed in the red depot. 8949 goes in, grabs 2 gold minerals for the Blue Alliance. Let's see if they can drop them cleanly with 11556 in the way. It's hard to tell what the issue with 11556 is. Sometimes all these robots really need is a bump from a teammate. 8949 going in to grab another pair of minerals as the Red Alliance trying to get as many as they can into that corner depot. It's hard to tell if they have a grabbing device or not, but we haven't seen anyone pull anything out yet. 11556 still seems to be disabled while hooked up. We're getting to the last 20 seconds or so of the teleop period before we go into endgame. It looks like 8949 has grabbed 3 gold minerals, but it looks like they dropped one for rule compliance reasons. 3058 still trying to get that silver mineral placed into their depot. 11556 stays in place as we enter the end game. 8949 unceasing in getting these gold minerals dropped into the lander. I think this will be defining for their score. 3058 looks like they're lining up their hook, and that's a pretty clean tug to me. 3058 manages to get themselves off the ground. 8949 getting latched on, and it looks like they've managed to clear the floor as well, along with 6712, leaving 11556, the only robot not hanging. And that's the match. And the scores are in for qualification 6, taking 3058 up into first place, 209 to 170, with the Red Alliance taking the win.